Hi, I'm Dave Thomas, here at Chevy Chase Acura. Last time we showed you the power of the all-new 2021 TLX. Today we're talking safety. It's been said, with great power there must also come great responsibility. The responsibility to provide safety while driving. With the 2021 TLX, Acura has delivered it again with a suite of available standard safety and driver assist features known as Acura Watch. Cameras, sensors, and radar work together to help reduce driver workload by providing confident awareness of vehicle surroundings. Let's explore a few of these features. Using radar, if your response to a potential collision is slow or not forthcoming, Acura's collision mitigation braking system can use full braking power to slow the vehicle down prior to impact. Acura Watch also includes a lane departure warning and lane keeping assistance system. Using the front camera, the TLX monitors lane markings on the road ahead. If it detects that you're about to leave your lane without using your turn signal, it warns you to take action. If you allow the vehicle to drift over the lane markings, the system will steer the car back into the center of the lane. Schedule your test drive today at Chevy Chase Acura, Maryland's #1 Acura dealership. Thank you for your time, and for additional information, please reach out to your sales consultant.